Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Stylish Squad. If you have seen my previous videos, you must have understood I'm a big fan of JBL. I posted a lot of videos about JBL and people commented to do a review on Boat. So what I've done is I've got a product from Boat, I've used it for a couple of weeks and I'm reviewing it today. So I got this product from Amazon and it's been a couple of weeks since I've been using this. I got this product for $14.82, although the price on the website was $24.99. So let me open. To be very honest, I'm already a fan of Boat because I've been using this and I'm really enjoying this. This is Boat Rockers 370. So although I got this product for $14.82 on Amazon, but the price keeps changing. So if you're lucky enough, as of today, you get it for $12.99. But today, let me show you how the product looks like, the packaging. There are a lot of details of the product which we'll talk about in detail. But look at the product. Doesn't it look beautiful? Let me open and show you how it is inside. So let me go ahead and open the box. Since I've already used the product, I have it open over here. Let me go ahead and show you what all accessories we get with this product. First of all, the most important thing which we get over here is all these manuals. The user manual, all the details about the product. I'll keep this aside for now. You get 1 year warranty. The warranty of this product is for 1 year. And also you get this handbook over here which shows all the brand ambassadors of Boat. So you have a lot of cricketers, a lot of actors, a lot of other stuff over here. So it's very nice. You can go through this as well. But you get two things. One is the USB charger. This is not a Type-C charger. It is a normal USB charger. And also if you want to use the wired feature of this product, you have this particular wire over here to use the wired feature. Let me keep all of this aside and show you the product. First of all, I've got the black product over here, the black product with the golden symbol over here, the Boat logo over here. Looks very beautiful. And also I have the golden thing over here which shows the right and the left. The look of the product, I'm in love with this product because it gives very rich look. Although this is just for $1,500, but I feel this is something which you can buy for around, $4,000, $5,000. So I am in love with this product already. Boat Rockers 370 is ergonomically designed to fit you. You can fold this to travel purposes. You can nicely fold this and it gets folded in both the ways. It's very nice. And also you get padded ear cups for comfort. You get padded ear cups over here. With the padding is really nice. I'm really happy with this because it's really soft. And also you get padding over here. There's some padding for your head for long usage as well. You have some padding over here as well. And most importantly, it has adjustable bands keeping your comfort in mind for your head size. Long press on the play button to switch on or off the device. This volume rockers button over here is to increase and decrease the volume. Long press on the volume button changes soundtrack you're listening to. Just 2-second press on the play pause button to activate Siri or Google Assistant. You can now answer or reject calls using this device. There's a charging port and a LED light over here which indicates if the device is charging and when connected to Bluetooth. Aux port over here. The aux port is to plug in your aux cable when you're not using Bluetooth feature. The Bluetooth connectivity is seamless as well. The look and feel of the product is pretty decent. Considering the price range, I feel this is a good product to have, and the design is definitely very sleek and very nice. So in my experience, I've charged this product for just about 2 hours and I've got it for 7 hours. The play time is 7 hours, which is pretty decent. And the other thing is you get version 5.2, Bluetooth version 5.2. And the coverage range is very decent. The other thing is the sound quality is phenomenal and I'm in love with this product, to be very honest. I've used this product to watch a lot of movies, listen to a lot of songs, I've played a lot of games as well, and the sound is just immersive and it's beautiful. You can listen to every little beat and you'll just love the product. Over the last couple of days, I've taken a lot of calls using this product. The sound is very clear and there's no delay. Also, the other thing is I've played a lot of movies for hours together, and because of the way it is fitting on your head, there's no discomfort as well. So guys, for this price range, the kind of product it is, the sound quality, the build of the product, and the way it is fitting on your head, I feel this is the best buy. And if you're looking for a product in the range of 1500, you should definitely go ahead and buy this product. I would definitely give this a thumbs up. So that's it guys. I hope you really like this video. If you found this review helpful, you can go ahead and leave it in the comments below and say how did you like the experience of this product. If you want to watch many such videos, stay tuned for our channel, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to the Stylist Squad and also follow us on Instagram. Peace.